So we're here at VTS Tree, picking up his CTX 100 mini skid. This one's 40 horsepower, Kohler diesel, no depth fluid, nothing. We got it with the brush grapple. And also with the smooth bucket. I'm gonna put the attachment over there, okay? These are your locking pins right here, so I just unlocked it. When they're facing each other, it's locked, okay? And then obviously take off the couplers if it's coupled with the hydraulics. Gonna get a smooth bucket out for him. It's got that cutting edge on the end of it, bolted in so it's not gonna tear anything up. There we go. And just like that, new CTX 100, baby.